Le tricot, c'est un des rares plaisirs qu'elle s'accorde. Employée de commerce de formation, elle a perdu son emploi à la Poste en 2010. Depuis, elle s'est présentée à de nombreux entretiens d'embauche sans succès. Une...
Hello YouTube, this is Alexander again, and today I want just to talk about capacitor discharger. And as you can see, this is a very useful tool according if you are a repair guy or not, because sometimes you have to use them to discharge your capacitor to not hurt yourself. And of course you can easily do that with bulb or some resistor, but you have not the proof that you have really discharged your capacitor, because there is no proof of that. But this one, I have built this one according the needs I have. It's some lights to have a proof that electricity go through your device, and also there is a click and a vibration on it, because there is a relay. Actually this is a relay, and it works with two different loads. The first load is a little light, it's about 1 kilo ohm, and the second load, because there is different contacts. Here you can see the different contact. This is the big the 200 loads and the 1 kilo ohm loads, and you have the entry here and the output here. So the LED are double here, and they are connected in parallel with the entry with 30k resistor. And this one, which is 1 kilo ohm resistor, is used to supply the relay. With the coil is here. Okay, I think I need to make a better schematic than this one, but basically this is exactly the way it works. It has two different loads for starting and for discharging, and because this device uses a relay, it emits a click, a vibration, and also there is light to give you the proof that the supply, the power went through this device. So this is the first one I made, which is perfectly working again, and I have my artificial capacitors. It's a big mess here. I don't know where it is. Okay, here it is. So this is an artificial simulation, because you have to charge your capacitor, and this capacitor plays the role of the charged capacitor on your PCB. And you have this little device, which is very useful, because this tool is the second tool. I think it's absolutely it's a must-have on your bench, according if you make repair or not. Because the first tool for me is this supply. This supply is isolated power supply with a different bulb on it. You can check, you can make different voltage with different loads according your needs. And for me, I can't work with those kinds without those kind of device. And for also, you absolutely have to make your trust on your thirst on those kind of device. And as you can see, it's still working because this is the first model. And here you will have the second model I made, and this one is more resulted, I think, but this is just about cosmetic because it has some a label on it, and it works exactly the same with the same component on it. And I don't know if you can see, but there is a light on this window. Okay, and now you can see then the capacitor is fully discharged. The thing is that when you have the lights glowing, if you stay just 1 second more, you can have your capacitor fully discharged at 0 volts. So this one is made to maybe to make some sales on eBay or Le Bon Coin. I would say I will show it. This one is the third model, and it's just a story about how to manage the 3D printer to make those labels here. It's a little more pretty, I think, but okay. For the moment, I think this one is very nice for to use it immediately. And as you can see, the shape is not the same. The first model is strictly straight ahead and straight, and this one is has a curve. Okay, so according the label, you can use it at 390 volt max and 1000 microfarad. If you use more than that, you have to wait before discharging, because if you accumulate a lot of joules on your resistor, you can have some heat coming from your device. But okay, this is just to discharge in a few seconds your capacitor, and it doesn't make some. It's not a problem actually. So okay, I think those one, not this one, but this one is for sale, and I will make another type of capacitor discharger with this label. Okay, it looks like Stephen and very light, and I will make a test again, and will just reduce the lights. Okay, look at this. The capacitor is charged. Okay, do it again. Okay, a very useful tool, a must-have on your bench. Okay. Okay, that's all. Okay. I think the schematic is very simple, actually. If you don't understand something, okay, it's not terrible. Okay. Okay, it was Alexander again. I hope you like this video, and I tell you, see you soon.